Some kind of intelligence.
Yeah, some kind of intelligence, and possible अब. So it will move around with me. This is just one example, maybe a lamp, Pixar kind of lamp sitting around me. So, and these are a very good one because this is a good opportunity. I personally want to enter into this, but it's a very high turnaround. You can't just move things around so fast. Robotics, right? But if किसी के पास dedicated time है, I will suggest to get into the intersection of robotics and AI. Because that's when the real change will happen for us. Software में इतना change नहीं दिखेगा, but when all of the things around us are having some consciousness via this artificial intelligence, they are moving around. And आपको लग रहा है ये कैमरा move around कर रहा है, they are kind of coordinating with you in some lights.
Yeah.
By the way, हमारे पास एक लैम्पी project हमने in-house बनाया है. We also have a robotic team in like Bangalore. The lamp actually reacts to you. You say it like, hey, I had an accident yesterday, and it will get depressed. It will show emotion via just eyes. You try to be angry, it will get angry too. It have ears moving like this, like a bat, you know. So this these are some examples like how world around us is going to change. Software से हमें इतना physically दिखेगा नहीं, but I think when it comes to the physical form, that's when we will feel it a lot.
True. So that's one. Or examples. I like this example.
Okay.
Give me more examples like this.
Intersection of
Robotics and AI.
Yeah, this is one, but intersection of bio and AI.
Explain.
Basically bioengineering your body. So
what do you mean by that?
So एक tech already CRISPR करके tech है, you can change genes in you. So आपको जैसे you want to change the color of your eyes. Maybe, I don't know if it's possible when you're an adult, but when you're a kid, you can change the color of eyes. This is one like very real use cases. And it's technically possible. If someone is disease ridden, like let's say high chances they have some genes which can cause cancer. Now you can edit those genes via this CRISPR tech. And AI is actually advancing it. Recently I read about it. Like, so AI has created its own sequence of genomic sequence. It's complicated, but okay, in simple terms, उसने अपनी खुद की एक species बना दी. So हम as a species also evolved, like monkeys, apes, and then a human. There's like a evolution that happened, right? AI ने एक नया species बनाया with a whole sequence of genes. And now this opens up a lot of, like, you kind of creating a new species, right? You know? So, I mean, the positive and negatives are many, but very big field. Because जब AI आपका हर aspect of your life is automated by AI, digitally, physically, then the only thing that left is how you maintain your body. And it also linked to longevity now, like how you can live longer by fixing, because dying is not natural. You die because one of your organs stop working. Like in most cases, if it's not sudden death, you die because your one organs failed and other organs like follow the route, right? Now, if you find a system, bioengineering your system where you can let that organ sustain well, basically you can't die anywhere. So again, many people are prediction that the person who is going to live 5,000 years is already born.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, maybe we will not live long enough to see that, but it's a very bold prediction.
Right.
There is one startup which is very funny. Like, they charge people after they die. What they say, okay, you died out of some, let's say, cancer, right? We will put you in a refrigerator. ठंडा करके आपको रख दिया. आपके cells will not deplete now. 100 साल बाद एक innovation हुआ जहाँ पर वो बीमारी solve हो सकती है. कैंसर या कुछ भी. Now हम आपको निकाल के उस टाइम पे उससे फिक्स करके, मतलब उससे जो भी बायो इंजीनियरिंग करके we will make you alive. And I went to this event in Dubai. Even Brian Johnson came to that. This was an Ask Daily event, and there was this startup pitching, and I found like this is such a, I don't know, it's a very good money making process. Like, you are selling after you die. It doesn't matter, right? You don't need money now. Like, you're gonna die, you don't need money. Why not just pay them and put me in a rental cube? Yeah, and just so. There's
Death
a lot
tech.
Yeah, that's tech. I mean, that's crazy.
Death tech startups. That's
very
wow.
weird.
What are the more okay? Let's do this. Tell me 2 or 3 more things that is incredibly fascinating around the world. जो आपने सुनी हो and you have seen कि लोग ऐसे startups पे काम कर रहे हैं कि दुनिया में ये चल रहा है. Like death tech is
very.
I've never heard of
Yeah.
this. I'm hearing it for the first time.
I mean, ऐसे तो बहुत crazy startups है. Can't immediately think maybe it will come into the conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah.
we'll build
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Okay. Because you're talking about AI and आप बात कर रहे हो AI will replace a lot of things, इंसानों को काम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, right? Let's figure out कि हम भिंडी AI से, that's your startup, उससे क्या बना सकते हैं जो लोगों को डे टू डे लाइफ में हेल्प करे और उनको काम कम करना पड़े. Can we do that?
Yeah, we can totally do that. I mean, our
Perfect.
motto is to like make work invisible.
Lovely. करता क्या है भिंडी AI? मेरे को सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बताओ. What does your startup do?
आप अभी ChatGPT पे जाकर उसको कुछ prompt करते हो and it will respond you in some kind of text. It will not do that for you. What Bhindi do is it execute that for you. So for example, आप ChatGPT पे गए, hey, can you draft me an email? It will draft you an email and then you will copy, paste it in Gmail and send it. What happens on Bhindi, you ask it to do it, it will actually send the email via your Gmail account.
मैं सिर्फ भिंडी में बोलूँ वो सब खुद ही करेगा.
खुद करेगा. आपको prompt करना है, आपका prompting skills needs to be good because AI doesn't understand you well. So आप कुछ आपने एक line बोल दिया तो कर दिया. It will not, the outcomes will be not right, but it will do it. So Gmail एक हुआ, but it could be anything कि can you get the price of, I don't know, HDFC Bank and send that price to my broker and then ask him what could be the, and then have a check whenever he respond you back after 2 hours, remind me back. Now it's a chaining of multiple actions.